And we're live. Okay, welcome to Sea Monkeys Part 2. This is Jordan.
This is Lindsay.
Daff.
Okay, so today we're going to be putting in the instant live eggs, otherwise known as Step 2. To do this, you penetrate the seal. But carefully don't get it in your mouth.
Jordan.
Because the sea monkeys will live inside of you, and then you'd have to eat sea monkey food every day to take care of them. Okay.
She's got problems.
Okay, ready? Also, I built them this tree house. I don't know if I'm supposed to mix them or not. I feel like I was supposed to do this way more slowly.
It looks like cocaine.
No,
Why are we snorting this?
if you
Why are
snort,
you wasting it and putting it in water?
don't snort, sea monkeys. Okay, I feel like some like pro-lifers are gonna come and be like, you didn't get the eggs out of the bottom.
And what if they just start going,
Okay, thanks for tuning in to Step 2.
Wow, so much
You can
change.
see it's snowing in there, much like it's snowing outside. I'm gonna put this lid so they don't escape. See you next time. Bye.